In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset keyboard dictionary on iPhone. So if you're using a particular keyboard on your iPhone and you've set different words on the keyboard as your dictionary, you can easily reset this to default and clear all your words or settings on the iPhone keyboard. So if I download this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, all you need to do to reset keyboard dictionary on your iPhone is open the iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on General. Once you selected General, you want to scroll down and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then once you selected that, click Reset. On that page, locate Reset Keyboard Dictionary. You see that? Then go ahead and click on that. Now once you selected that usable that says you should type in your iPhone passcode, go ahead and type in your iPhone passcode. Then once you click on that, a new pop-up will come out that says Reset Dictionary. Now you need to know that this will delete all custom words you've typed on the keyboard, returning the keyboard dictionary to the factory settings. If this is what you want to do, go ahead and click on Reset Dictionary. Now that is all you need to do to make sure your iPhone keyboard dictionary is reset back to the default. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.